Hey, hello everyone. So welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, hope you all are doing great and amazing. And this is me, Monica. So today it's our sixth day English
Amazing!
speaking practice. So today I'm going to practice with you about the topic which is what do you prefer most, online or offline shopping? And what do you think that which is the best one? Alright, got it? So today we will discuss on this topic. So yeah, let's start. You know what? I think both are the best on their place, and of course it's depend on person to person. Like, see, if someone they have time, they can travel, there is no problem from their side, they can do offline shopping. It's the best for them. If I will say someone they don't have the time, they really want to save the time, and they can't travel, so what? Of course they are going to be prefer online shopping only. Okay.
आउट मेरा फ़ोन चाहिए होता है मेरे को यार पहले तो मुझे एक अच्छा सा स्टैंड लाने की बहुत बहुत आवश्यकता है। भाई टिक क्यों नहीं रहा? ओ मैं कहाँ गई?
Now let's talk about some advantage and disadvantage of online and offline shopping. You know what I believe that everything has a two part, as an advantage and disadvantage. Even human being, we are the human being, we have also some good things in our nature, some bad things. It same apply on everything. Okay, got it? Are you agree with me? If you are agree with me, please comment yes. If you are not, so please फिर भी कमेंट कर दीजिएगा. No problem. I'll accept your comment. Okay. Now, I was saying that if I talk about the advantage of the online shopping, of course there are many advantage of offline online shopping.
See, you are sitting at your home, you are exploring just and whatever an online platform like Meesho, Amazon. If you liked anything, any product in accessories, in clothing, whatever you liked, you can you can order instantly and you can get within 3 and 4 days. I think it's best for you because for offline shopping we have to go out, we have to fix our especially a time that now we will go out for buying this, for buying. Another hand, that is offline shopping. Offline is also the bad. Let's start from the advantage of offline shopping. Yeah. So you know what? We can touch, we can feel the product actually, what it is. Because it's front of our eyes, we can feel and even we can try if we are buying something in accessories, in clothing, in everything. Even we are if buying something, in like meal, drinks, we can try instantly. There we can try. So I think it's the best for us. You know. So yeah, these are the advantage of offline shopping. And if I talk about disadvantage, so there is the only two and three.
Twice disadvantage also of offline shopping. Like we have to waste our time for buying anything. We have to think about a specific time. Like in this time we are going to outside because we want to something. Okay, so it's waste of our time, of course. And apart from that, sometimes I think online we can buy some cheapest some cheapest price. But offline shopping, everything is expensive rather than online shopping. So there we have to do bargaining. Yeah, of course, some girls, I think girls are agree with me. So that time also we are wasting our time and nothing. Okay, so that's all about for my today's video, and I hope you liked it. So please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Okay, so मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye. Take care.